Is it open or closed?
Closed.
No. Open or closed?
What do you mean open or closed?
Is it open or closed?
Open or closed?
What?
Closed.
No. Is it open or closed?
Closed.
Yes, closed. Tama. Next. Open or closed?
Closed to what? Open or closed? Open. Closed.
No.
Ano ba yan?
Game. Open. Open.
Eh kasi hindi ko na. Pag kasi na-open ako, na-close mo.
Open or closed?
Open.
No.
Ano wag ah? Dalawa lang kasi ako yun. Pag ako nag-open, nag-close ka. Pag nag-close, open. Ano ba yan? Gagi.
Game. Open or closed?
Closed.
Yes, tama. Ba't nagagalit? Okay.
I don't get it.
Is it open or closed?
Closed.
Open.
Open pag nakagani rin. Nyeta.
Open or closed?
Island. Open or closed? Open ba saan? Ano ba ga? Wala ka kasi sinabi.
May two choices ka lang. Open or closed? Open or closed? Is it open or
Kailan
closed?
ko sasabing
Is
open?
it open or closed?
Wala kang instruction. Bakit mo magpalaro? Okay. Open.
Kailangan mo maging observant. Is it open or closed?
Closed.
Yes! Tama! Nagigits mo naman pala.
Hindi ko naligas. Basta ako nahula. Gagi.
Game. Is it open or closed?
Closed.
No, it's open. Oh my God, ano ba? Nasakit na yung ulo ko.
Ang linti ka, hindi ko mo naiintindihan eh.
Is it open or closed?
Open.
Yes, it's open! Oh! 2 times mo na magkasagot na nakukuha.
Ulit pa.
Is it open or closed?
Open.
No, it's closed.
What the hell?
Open or closed?
Closed.
It's open! Oh my goodness. May napapagod na ako.
Mas pagod ako mag-isip.
Natatapon na yung toner sa'yo eh.
Nasipon ako sa iyo eh.
Is it open or closed?
Ano yung sagot yung kanina? Open?
Yes!
Open.
It's open!
Oh, sige, ulit.
Is it open or
Closed.
closed?
Close.
Yes, it's closed!
Okay.
Oh my God,
Okay,
mommy!
close.
Ay, oh! Ay, 3 minutes na! Magpo 4 minutes na, hindi mo pa nakukuha. Open or closed?
Open.
Yes, it's open!
Hindi ko naiintindihan. Hindi mo yun.
Open or closed?
Open.
Yes, open.
Ay, kasi tamad ko. Hindi ko na. Isa pa.
Mi, huwag ka lang sumagot ng sumagot. Tingnan mo yung nasa paligid mo.
Ulit. Ulit.
Is it open or closed?
Open.
Closed. Oh, good. Open or closed?
Open. Ay, close. Ano ba naman
Sagot!
Eh, para saan yan?
Pampagulo! Oh my goodness.
Bakit kailangan ng pampagulo?
Me!
Pwede naman hindi.
Anong thrill ng laro kung hindi mag-ano ng pampagulo?
Ay, naku, ang pangit ang palaro mo.
Ang dali, bakit di mo na naulaan?
Wala ka kasing instruction.